The Global-PPS is conducted in many hospitals worldwide and especially also in African hospitals. And we want to expand our feasible method to many more hospitals in Africa. And that's the reason why we are running a workshop at the ICAN Congress, which is taking place from the 29th of June up to the 2nd of July. And on the 29th of June, the workshop will take place in the morning. It's a 3-hour workshop where we will invite people like from the WHO Africa, from Africa CDC, who will be attending that workshop, but also participants who have been conducting the Global-PPS in other hospitals in Africa, who will share their experience running that Global-PPS and how the Global-PPS is meaningful to the conduction of antimicrobial stewardship interventions. Especially we have very nice people who will join us from Nigeria. They are actually the very first persons who conducted the Global-PPS in 2015 and also were the drivers of the outpatient module of the Global-PPS, and they will be there. And they have been conducting that outpatient module of the Global-PPS and even set up interventions in the hospital, so they will be able to share their experiences with you. Africa diagnostic stewardship is also very important, and that will also be a very important topic because their lack of diagnostics is very common in African hospitals, and so we want to see how we can enhance that in African hospitals. Besides that, what is also very important is to get to know more on the prevalence of healthcare-associated infections, and that is also a part of the Global-PPS. So there is a link with IPC, which is of course very much the topic of the ICAN Congress. So I'm very pleased to invite you to our workshop, which is taking place in Cape Town in South Africa on Sunday the 29th of June in the morning. And we will be very happy to share our experiences and that we can all learn and move on towards more appropriate antimicrobial prescribing in the hospital in African countries.